Good morning. You need some coffee like me. Yeah, pretty. Starting with this video, this is known as a vlog. You might have heard of a blog, which stands for weblog. It's a web page where someone writes down different thoughts and things that occurs to them as they go about their day. Well, a vlog is a video version of a blog, video log. It's a little bit more informal than some of my reviews and unboxing videos. It's kind of off the cuff, and it's just to give you a little bit of insight into what happens during the day. Okay, so we're in the car now. I've got to take some mail to the post office, drop off some donations at the charity organization, and then we'll stop back by the office and get some work done. There might be some disadvantages to living in a small town, but when you've got no traffic and beautiful views like this, who needs Central Park? Okay, you can see behind me a view across the street from my office. Except for the occasional cow mooing and a truck going by, it's a great place to get some work done. Okay, off again. It's time to head to the gym. So now they've got the kids class. Doing MMA training. And getting ready to do some Muay Thai training. We're in between classes right now, some gymnastics going on over there, some private instruction here, and up in the cage, training some fighters for an upcoming fight competition. They're blasting their ass. Okay, so we've done all the work and we've punched all the bags, and now it's time to go to bed. But before we do that, we need to put the bird to bed. Time for bed. Go on. Go to your perch. Go to your sleepy perch. Come on. Good bird. Yeah, good bird. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because I hope to see you again soon. Thanks a lot.